Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss how to calculate the liquidators remuneration. So we have two questions here. We'll solve two questions in this part. First, I'll read question number 1. Compute liquidators remuneration from the following information. Balance of cash after paying preferential creditors is 2,10,000 and other unsecured creditors are 2,50,000. Liquidators remuneration is 5% on the amount paid to the other unsecured creditors. The question number 2. Now second question. Calculate the amount of preferential creditors from the following information. Income tax payable is rupees 25,000. Salaries and wages to 10 workers at rupees 10,000 per month. For the last 3 months we have to pay for 10 workers and per month their salary is rupees 10,000. Then remunerations to the officers, it is 2 lakh. Now let us first solve the first problem, the first question. Now what they have told that the balance of cash after paying the preferential creditors is rupees 2,10,000 is the balance. So 2,10,000 is the balance. Next, the unsecured creditors were rupees 2,50,000. So now we need to calculate the liquidators remuneration. Liquidators remuneration. Now the liquidator remuneration is 2,10,000 is the amount available divided by what is the percentage? The percentage is 5. So 100 plus 5 into 5. So it will be 2,10,000 divided by 105 into 5. So 2,10,000 divided by 105 into 5, it will be 10,000 rupees. So this 10,000 is the liquidators remuneration. Liquidators remuneration. This is the answer solution for the first particular question. Now in second question also they have asked us to prepare the amount of preferential creditors. Now here not a liquidators remuneration. We need to calculate the amount available for the preferential creditors. So now first we have that is income tax payable. They have given us the income tax payable, that is 25,000. So that is also creditors, preferential creditors. Next we have outstanding salary and wages. We are having outstanding salary and wages. So outstanding salary and wages, in that if you see there are 10 workers and 10,000 per month and 3 months we have to pay for that. So 10 into 10,000 into 3, it will be 3 lakh rupees. So remuneration to officers will come under unsecured creditors. Now they have asked us to prepare only the preferential creditors statement. So when you add 3 lakh plus 25,000, it will be 3,25,000 rupees. This is the amount of preferential creditors. Hope you have understood this video very well. In our next video, I will come back with more problems. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.